Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything on all things, politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. When President Bola Ahmed Tinubu recently met with the Rivers State Governor Simi Fubara and the former governor of Rivers State and now Minister of the Federal Capital Territory Abuja, Nyesom Wike, in Abuja, with other Ogoni leaders, many had thought that for civility's sake, that Nyesom Wike and Simi Fubara will exchange pleasantries. But from what we heard, as captured by the Vanguard Newspaper, it means that the fight is to finish between these two power gladiators in Rivers State. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, when the president met with the governor of Rivers State Simi Fubara and the Nyesom Wike and Ogoni leaders, we are now being told that it was strictly business that they met. That it was strictly business. The president was concerned about resumption of production of crude oil from Ogoni land. Ogoni land had for years said nobody should be allowed, will be allowed. Nigerian government will not be allowed to extract oil from their soil until Shell remedied the pollution on their land that was caused by oil exploration and exploitation activities. When the APC administration came on board in 2015, one of the things they claimed they want to do was to decontaminate Ogoni land, to reclaim the land by solving the problem of decontaminating the land of Ogoni that had been damaged by pollution. And the United Nations Environment Program had a program with the federal government of Nigeria to ensure that the cleanup of Ogoni was holistic and all that. And several years later, nothing seemed to point to the direction of cleaning up of Ogoni land. And Ogoni people are still insisting that you can't come to their land to come and extract crude oil. But President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, in his determination to ensure that the resumption of oil production starts in that region, has made an overture. That was the essence of the meeting. He wanted the Ogoni people to succumb to his plea, even though the federal government have not fulfilled their own version, their own condition of remediation of the soil of Ogoni land or the cleanup of Ogoni land. Federal government have failed to do their own part. Now, but what we are discussing here has to do with what happened when Wike and Fubara met. According to Vanguard report, when they met, they couldn't even say hi to each other. They couldn't shake hands. There was no chit chats. It was just about the Ogoni matter, and that they discussed according to the Vanguard. So what does that mean? It means that both are digging in on their stands. And it also means that Fubara has called the bluff of Nyesom Wike and is not ready for reconciliation. What does that portend? It means that Wike and Fubara, they are now looking at the court to settle their matter, because President Bola Ahmed Tinubu obviously has removed his hand. The story we read from the Vanguard didn't indicate that the president made any effort to get them together or as an opportunity, because it's like the president felt that is now their personal problems to go and solve. Don't forget that the president brokered a peace agreement shortly after the defection, after the failed attempt to impeach Fubara and the failed attempt to after the failed attempt to impeach Fubara, and then the defection of the pro-Nyesom Wike lawmakers who defected from PDP to APC. The president brokered a peace process, which many observed, including Edwin Clark, that it was the 8-point resolution was all tilted against Fubara. And of course, that unjust peace process has now collapsed, obviously. Okay, so the president felt that there was no need trying to intervene, let them settle themselves. And from all indication, only the courts will now settle the matter. Whatever is the problem between them, about the local government election, about the authentic lawmakers in Rivers State, and all these other challenges in Rivers State, it is now left for the court to determine. That is that's my interpretation. All of them have resolved, both of them, I mean, Nyesom Wike and Fubara, have now put their only hope in resolution of the problem on the courts. So I think that's how it is. But whether the court will be able to do it where it will favor Rivers people, who we all know are solidly behind the governor, is a story for another day. Because we know how the court we have now in Nigeria is like. Okay? And that's a story for another day. But from what this Vanguard story narrated, it is obvious they have lost confidence. Nobody wants to bother Tinubu about it, and Tinubu is not interested in resolving the Rivers crisis between Wike and Fubara. It is now left for the courts to settle it, and the court will be looked up to. It is now left for the court to do the right thing, to ensure that Rivers State is in peace. The onus is now on the court to do the right thing. That's my take. I don't know what you think about this, but whatever is your position on Nyesom Wike and Fubara not exchanging pleasantries or greeting each other when they met at the Presidential Villa, whatever you think is your interpretation of that development, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you.